Hello, 8th graders. How are you guys? I hope so. Everything is working with you. Right now, let's work a little bit about our class. Especially who is in block D, we have so short time in our class, but let's do it right now. Okay? Let's talk a little bit about enter ticket. As you remember, what is a compound inequality? Okay? What is it? How do I solve it? When? Okay? Let's talk a little bit about this one, guys. Compound inequality, as I told to you guys, is when I have two or more inequalities joined together with and or. Remember, and or is a conjunction. We use this in English, Portuguese, Japanese, any language, Spanish, all we have a conjunction. And remember, conjunction are connecting words, okay? We're connecting words. It's the same thing we're doing math, okay? But we are not connecting words. We are connecting inequalities here in this special case, okay? Let's do this. All inequalities have a tendency to graph outwards, okay? You will see the graph all the time. It goes outward, okay? Example number one here, as you can see, x is less than or equal to negative 2. I'm looking for negative 2. I draw a solid circle here and then move towards negative infinite, okay? And remember, and the second one here, x greater than 3. I circle number 3. It's a hollow circle, okay? As you can see, hollow circle. Why, mister? Because it's not equal to. Okay, it's not included. Okay? And I move towards to infinite. Okay? And when I do the interval notation, as you can see, negative infinite, okay, with parentheses. Infinite all the time has parentheses, comma, negative 2, okay, negative 2 here, and I have brackets because it's included, okay, brackets or a parenthesis, as you can see here, number 3, okay, but it's not included, okay, comma, infinite, okay, we have these two special situations here to solve it, and we can go on, move forward this one. We solve some problems here. I'll just show you the first one. It's pretty simple. You move x minus 4 less than negative 7 to x greater than or equal to 12. Just solve equation, guys. One step equation here. You move negative 4 by its opposite, positive 4, negative 7 plus 4, negative 3. X is less than negative 3. And how many times 2 goes into 12? 6 times. We know this one. It's pretty simple. X is greater than or equal to 6. Nice. I think you got it. And let's go on here, guys. Let's solve this problem here. The first thing, let's graph this. X, negative 3. Okay, negative 3. I circle negative 3. It's not a solid, okay? It's just a hollow circle. And I move towards by negative infinite, okay? Because I'm looking for numbers less than negative 3. And the second one here, number 6, okay, solid circle, great. And I'm looking for numbers greater than or equal to 6. I'm looking for numbers moving towards to infinite, okay. I move forward, okay. And as you can see here, goes to infinite. And right now, interval notation, I have parentheses, negative infinite, okay, comma, negative 3, as you can see, is not included, just parentheses. Or brackets, as you can see here, okay, brackets, 6, okay, 6 is included because it's a solid circle, and then move towards to infinite and parentheses here. Great. The second one I did in the class, I think you remember. Let's solve this one more here, number 3. I solve it quickly, this one here. Let's solve both equations here. The first thing, let's solve this one. Before we solve this, we just work on the first one. 2x plus 9 greater than 17. Let's move this one. I move 9 by his opposite, negative 9. And what I have here? Oh, you have Mr. 9 no more. 2x greater than 17 minus 9. You have it. You have 8. Nice. How many times 2 goes into 8? As you can see, I can go, how many times 2 goes into 8? I go 4 times. X greater than 4. Great. And this one here, 5x plus 10, okay, move 10 by his opposite, negative 10. And this is 0. I'm looking for a number 5 times x less than 0. How many times 5 goes into 0? Any time, mister. 0. X less than 0. Done. We have our solved problem. Right now, let's graph this one. I'm looking for a number 4. Okay, number 4. Circle it. And I look for number 4. Numbers greater than number 4. Okay, I move forward. Okay, go forward to infinite, and here's number 4. And this is a hollow circle. And number 0, okay, let's do a hollow circle. And the 0, let me see if I need to fill it, this one. No, I don't need it. Okay, and I move two numbers less than 0. Let's move this one. Great. I have number 0 here, and I have negative infinite. Nice. Let's do the interval notation. Negative infinite, 0, and here, remember, infinite of the times need a parenthesis, and here I need parenthesis too, because it's not filled. Or, okay, it means like the other situation can solve the problem too. Okay, or I need a number 4, okay, 4, and it is a parenthesis because it's not filled, and it goes to positive infinite. Done, guys. Pretty simple, yes? Yes, it's working. Fine. Let's do the number 5 here. Number 5, it's easy. First thing, distribute negative 6x, negative 3, less than negative 15. Second step, we move by his opposite. Move positive 3, negative 6x, less than or equal to negative 15 plus 3, it is negative 12. Negative 12. Right now, guys, it's negative in variable. Oh, mister, yes, you told we need to move. Yes. Let's move the variable to this side by his opposite, positive 6x. Goodbye. And here is 0 less than negative 12 plus 6x. And then move negative 12 by his opposite. Is a positive 12. Oops, sorry. Positive 12. Nice. What I have this, I have 6x. I'll write this, guys. I don't have enough time, enough space, enough room. Sorry. 6x. Oh, no, sorry. Let me just write first. Who's the first? Is 12. 12 less than 6x. How many times 6 goes into 12? 2 times. And here is 2 less than x. Great. Solve the first problem. The second one, move number 1 by his opposite. It's negative 1. Goodbye this one here. It is negative x. 5 minus 1 is 4, greater than 4. Nice. Remember, I negative variable here. Oh, mister, yes, let's move it. Move by his opposite, positive x. It is 4 plus x. Here, 0. Okay, this is no more. Nice. The second one, and move 4 by his opposite. Is negative 4. Negative 4 greater than or equal to x. Nice. Let's graph right now. I look for number 2. Number 2, oh, you are here. Number 2. I'm looking for numbers. Number 2 is my last step. Okay, as you can see here. 2 is less than x. I look for numbers greater than 2. Then it means I move this side, move forward, go to infinite. Number 2. On the other side, negative 4, here, negative 4. I fill this one, let's fill this, okay? I fill this one, and I move backwards, okay? I look for numbers less than, okay? I look for numbers you can see here, less than. The x is you see this side of the inequality, okay? It means the number is lower than, okay? Let's look for numbers lower than. I look for this situation, okay? and here negative 4, negative infinite. Oops, that looks like 8 a lot, but not 8, guys, it's negative infinite. Let me case. Okay, nice. Right now, I can write my interval notation. Parentheses, negative infinite. Oh, today not good to write there. Okay, negative infinite, comma, negative 4, and I need brackets, okay, because it's solid, or parentheses, 2, comma, and here parentheses, infinite parentheses. Great, guys. This is the interval notation. Pretty simple. Guys, the second type, when I have and. When I have and, the type of the graph, as you can see, it is inward. 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 What does it mean, Mr. Romeo? I'll show to you. Let me show an example. It's better. X greater than or equal to negative 6, okay? Greater than or equal to negative 6 or negative 6. Oh, you are here. Negative 6. Nice. Negative 6. And I'm looking for a number moving to greater than. Okay, move forward. Okay, it's moving this side. Nice. As you can see, it's moving this side. Pretty simple. And right now, guys, as you can see here, okay, nice. Just as you can see here, I move the next one. I look for number 1. Where's number 1? Let's change the color so don't have confusion here. I use that purple. Okay. Number 1. Okay, number 1 is here, mister. And fill it, as you can see. Okay, fill it. Nice. And I move backwards. Okay, I'm looking for numbers less than number 1, and I move this side. Oh, missed. They are overlapping. Yes, they are overlapping. What do we have here? Let's see the overlap. Let's check the overlap. Okay, the overlap is negative 6 here. I have a circle here, fill it. This is the overlap. And here I move until number 1. Here, the solid circle again, and here number 1. Oh, mister, it's interesting. Yes, guys, that's the number we're looking for. Nice. Yes, it's very simple, as you can see here, guys. As you can see, it's pretty simple to understand about this. Where is it, how we solve it, and the most important thing, we can manage it. It's pretty simple. Great. Let's check this one. Okay, let's do this. Let's solve this one here. How do I work on this interval notation? Okay, attention here. I will show to you. The interval notation here, you can write, looks like exactly the same thing we did it. Okay, we have the number. We have the first, like we did first one. Look for negative 6. Negative 6. Okay, negative 6. And here is a bracket. Okay, it goes to positive infinite. Okay, and the second one I can write like this. I have negative number 1. Okay, oh no, it goes, the first come first. Negative infinite. Negative infinite. Negative infinite, comma, and number 1, and brackets here. Simple, pretty simple, okay? Mister, but we have a special way to write this. I'm looking for something that's like, easy. Okay, I have one to you guys. Attention here, and I teach you how to do it, okay? It's pretty simple. The first thing, the example I'm showing to you, the example here, because the solutions to an and inequality fall between 2 endpoints, we have 2 endpoints, one another one. They are frequently written in a more condensed form. How we do it, miss? How do you write this one in a condensed form? Like this one, guys. I can write this like this. Look here. I can write this negative 6, comma, number 1, and close here. How do you write this one? Pretty simple, guys. X greater than negative 6 and x less than or equal to number 1, I can write like this, guys. All those things here I can write like this. Negative 6, because the first one is coming. Look here. Look at the graph here we did it before. Negative 6 greater than or equal to x, less than or equal to, less than or equal to again, number 1. Because the number is exactly between negative 6 and 1. Simple, yes? Pretty simple. Let's solve it. Let's solve problems. I think it's better. Let's understand using the problems and solve it. Okay? Just for you to understand. This one, just solve this problem here. 2 2 less than x plus 4 is less than 9. I need to split it in two different equations to solve the same thing. Okay? This number 4 I need to distribute for this guy. Okay? I need to separate this in two equations. Okay? The first one and the second one. The first one is 2, this one, x plus 4. And I have the second one, I have x plus 4 less than 9. Okay, after I joined everything together, okay? Let's move this 4 by his negative, this opposite, negative 4. 2 minus 4, it's negative 2, greater than x. Nice, we solve the first one. On the second one, I move 4 by his negative opposite, negative 4. Nice. I have here x less than 9 minus 4, it is 5. Right now, let's join together everything. Negative 2, I have x here, like I combine, okay? Because it's and, okay? When I have and inequality, I can combine the x. Negative 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. And I can graph this pretty simple. Negative 2, you are here. And fill it, solid, okay, and 5, where is your 5? Are you in here? Okay, 5 hollow circle, and here is the solution. Okay, the interval notation, as you can see, negative 2, bracket, because it's solid, comma, number 5, parentheses. Okay, I know some part of these things is new for you, but it's pretty simple to solve it. I'll solve one more to understand. I'll solve number 10. Number 10 is level 3 exercise, okay? Let's split it. Let's split it in two equations, two simple equations here. Negative 2, remember split it, okay? Let's split it. Negative 2 less than 2x minus 6. And the second one, I have one equation here, as I told you. I have another equation goes to the other side. Pay attention to this one. It's not just have the two equations, okay? The second equation is 2, okay? This equation is this one, okay? This one. 2x minus 6 less than or equal to 4. Okay, just solve it right now. Negative 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 6, negative 12. Okay, I move negative 12 by his opposite, positive 12. It is 10. 10 less than 2x. How many times 2 goes into 10? It's 5. 5 is less than x. Great, solve the first one. The second one, the same thing. Distribute 2x minus 12 greater less than or equal to 4. Move to negative 12 by his opposite, positive 12. Okay, 4 plus 12, it is 16. Okay, 16. 2x, there's no more. 2x equals 16. How many times 2 goes into 16? 8. Oh, not equal, sorry. It's less than or equal to. X is less than or equal to 8. Okay, let's join together because it's an AND situation. Okay, AND. Let's join this one. It is 5 less than x less than or equal to 8. Let's go to the graph. Number 5, where are you? Oh, you are here. Okay, it's less than just, not equal to. Okay, hollow circle. I go to number 8. Number 8 is here. A filled circle, okay, filled circle, solid, okay, and the result is between those numbers here. And the interval notation, as you can see, 5, parentheses, number 5, comma, and number 8, and it is a bracket. Okay? This is the result. Okay, guys? In other words, the ticket, just for you remember, what is compound inequality? As you remember, is two inequalities or more joined together with and or. That's it, guys. I know it's not simple, but practice, okay? We have a lot of exercise. We have IXL, we have homework, and we have to work a little bit to in the extra activities. I have three different things you have to do. But remember to do your homework. Homework is a paper homework this week, okay? See you guys. Nice to see you. Bye bye.